My keto taco casserole is low carb, packed with flavor, and so easy to make. Cook ground beef in a skillet over medium heat until browned. Add in diced onion and red bell pepper. Sauté until softened. Add in taco seasoning, diced tomatoes with green chilies, and water. Simmer over medium heat for 5 minutes. Spread the ground beef into a prepared casserole dish and set aside. In a separate bowl, whisk together eggs, milk, and sour cream until well blended. Spread the eggs evenly over the ground beef. Top the entire dish with shredded cheese. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until the eggs are firm. I love to top mine with jalapenos and sour cream. You can find more delicious low-carb recipes on our website.